Hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I want to talk about 4 different grains that you can use as a nourishing, delicious breakfast. One of them is really obvious, it's oats, steel-cut oats, and 3 of them may not be as well known. Breakfast is one of those things that you don't get as creative as you do with dinner and supper. So I thought this video would be helpful to those of you who want to switch up your normal morning routine and your normal oats and try something new, try something that you haven't tried before, and have a nourishing, delicious breakfast. So the first grain that I wanted to mention is millet. And this is ancient grain and it's been used for hundreds of years. It's really delicious, it's really hearty. It is full of protein. It's quite a nutty flavor. This is the grain that I'll show you how to make today. I usually make this in the pressure cooker with butternut squash, and I put coconut cream on top and a few other ingredients, so definitely stick around to the end of the video to see how I make it. The second grain I wanted to talk about is amaranth. Now amaranth is not a really delicious grain, in my opinion. It is really great to add into other grains for a delicious porridge, for nutritional benefits, and to also create a really creamy texture. So the next up is buckwheat. And this one has the most distinct taste and aroma out of all 4. It is really unique. I really like it because I grew up on it. I used to have it a couple times a week at least. You can make it into a porridge, but you can also cook it just like you would quinoa or rice as a side to what you normally would make for dinner. What I prefer to do with this is make buckwheat waffles. So I would make a huge batch of them, and I would use them as bread. I would just toast them, add some butter to it, and it's really, really good. Or you could make even a bigger batch and then use them as bread and then freeze the other half to get when you need it. And the last one is the most obvious of all. This is steel-cut oats, and I prefer steel-cut oats because they're going to be more nutritious. When you use oats that have been processed, obviously the nutrients are going to be way diminished. It is going to be quicker to make, but it's not going to be as nutrient dense.